know. It's definitely one of the ones with like a head, so it's not a car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The character doesn't have a head. Oh, hello there. Mary and Ellie here from Two Tiny Wings. Welcome. Today we are spreading our little magic throughout the world as we have been doing lately. And we have some mystery Pixar figurines that we are going to open. As we were shopping, all of a sudden we saw these, and so we decided to pick them up and see what is inside. Now, first of all, if you have not yet checked out our latest Disney Bippity Boppity box for June, make sure you go to that video. There is still a couple of days left to enter our very special giveaway for that video. And then pop on back here and see what we have inside of these little bags. So these are all of the Pixar character minis, and this is what we might get. We have Good Dinosaur figures, car figures, Monsters Inc. There is Joy from Inside Out. I see some Finding Nemo. There's Sadness. My personal favorite of all these is Wall-E. I absolutely love Wall-E. Wall-E and Eva are adorable. Mary, what's your favorite?
I definitely want Wall-E and Eve.
That would be really cute. I always like, I have a desk, you know, as people do at work. And
I have a shelf.
So, yes.
Shelf
and
you put things
so
on.
I put things on my desk, and so a little Wall-E Eva pairing would be very nice to put on desk. Okay. What do you think you have? Why don't you go first?
What's nice is they all have like very big round heads, so I can't really tell. I don't know. It's definitely one of the ones with like a head, so it's not a car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The character doesn't have a head.
Get the cars! I don't know how to open it.
You might need scissors.
Wait, there's a little dot. I think I got it.
All right, so well done, Mattel. You have really made. We're like trying to pull them open like a chip bag.
There's like a there's a dot. Why else would there be a little hole here?
All right, we're gonna get us some scissors, and we'll be right back. Oh, Mary, honey.
Can't stop me now.
No. All right, drum roll. Mike Wazowski. Oh, he is so cute. He is so cute. He is little. He is bitty. To give you an idea, see if he'll. Oh, he is dropping. See if he'll start. Yeah, he is no more than an inch tall. What is he? He's knee high to a grasshopper. This little Mike Wazowski is. He is so cute. He's waving. He's got his little eye up. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. So now, will we get Sully? This doesn't feel like a Sully. This feels, I don't know. I think I'm feeling this thing upside down. This feels like, I'm gonna say this is a Good Dinosaur. That's what I'm gonna say. So let's see, our fancy schmancy scissors, drum roll, and out of box number 2, we have Dinosaur. I was right. Again, they are both, today is apparently a green theme on Two Tiny Wings.
I can't remember what his name is.
So cute. I can't remember what his name is. Let's look up what his name is.
That's a really good movie, though. It makes me cry every time I watch it.
Kind of a movie. We have looked up the name of this guy and refreshed our recollection. This is Arlo, and he is absolutely adorable. He's green. He's cute. He's got a little tail. He's got stripies. You're not gonna do better than a cute little green stripy guy.
He's a little bit bigger than Mike Wazowski.
Yeah, if you hold him next to Mike Wazowski.
Woo.
You hold him next to Mike, you'll see he's got maybe like half an inch on Mike. But together, they are so cool. I think what we are going to do is we are going to use both of these and give them to 2 lucky commenters. So, 2 people will get a little bit of magic from this particular giveaway. You will get either Mike Wazowski or Arlo. So, to win this, one of these, make sure you are subscribed to our channel And then this week's comment should be,
what's your favorite Pixar movie?
That's just what I was gonna say. What is your favorite Pixar movie? There will be more of these to come in the future, so definitely stay tuned. The giveaway will be open for 10 days after this video goes up. So good luck to everybody. Thank you for watching, and until next time,
we invite you to set your imaginations free.
bye!